If you are experiencing low flames or little heat output on your tabletop griddle with a full propane canister, there is likely something wrong with how propane is being delivered to your burners. If you are using a 1-pound propane canister with your griddle, there are a few things to check for to ensure that your griddle functions correctly. This regulator does not have a flow limiting device, so there's no need to reset it in the case of low flames. However, propane flow can be restricted if the propane bottle isn't installed correctly. When using one of these 1-pound propane tanks, the regulator needs to be positioned above the liquid level in the tank. The regulator and the griddle fuel system is designed to function on propane gas. If liquid propane flows through the regulator, it can cause it to become very cold and malfunction. To correct this problem, push the propane tank down towards the back of your griddle so it is resting on the surface your griddle is sitting on. This will ensure that the liquid propane can't flow into your regulator. If the regulator gets frosted over but is still functioning, then you can continue to cook. If the regulator gets too cold, you will need to turn off the burner valves and disconnect the propane tank and let the regulator warm up. If you are using a bulk tank adapter hose to connect your griddle to a 20-pound tank and you experience weak flames, there's a good chance that the flow limiter in your adapter hose has been tripped. US regulations require that all griddle regulators and propane hoses contain a flow limiting device for consumer safety. This device measures the amount of propane going through the regulator to ensure the levels are safe. If the flow rate through the regulator is too high, a symptom of a large leak, the flow limiting device will trigger, restricting the flow of propane to reduce the chance of a dangerous fire. This safety system can accidentally be tripped by opening a propane tank too quickly or opening the propane tank when a burner knob is not in the off position. To reset your bulk tank adapter hose, turn all your burners to the off position, then close your propane tank and disconnect the adapter hose from your propane tank. Wait for 1 minute for your hose to depressurize, allowing the flow limiting device to reset. Reattach the adapter hose to the propane tank and the regulator and slowly open your propane tank to half a turn. That's all the propane you'll need. Go ahead and light up your burners and get back to cooking. For more support, go to blackstoneproducts.com/support or contact our customer service team.